Natuloy po ba itong waste to energy
Hindi
project
po, Your
in
Honor.
Mexico, Pampanga?
Hindi po,
So,
Your Honor.
ibig sabihin po, yung pagkabisita nyo sa Fujian, China, it did not materialize to any project in Mexico, Pampanga? Is that what you wanted to say?
Hindi po, Your Honor.
Wala pong nag-materialize. But since the reason why you visited Fujian, China is because of the invitation of ADT Yang, can you please enlighten us more? Ano ho ba yung sinasabi nyong maraming beses nyo na siyang na-meet at nakasama? Even before this trip to Zhangzhou, Fujian.
Nung pong nagtatanong silang mga binibili nilang lupa. Yun lang.
Like how many times were you able to meet with him about acquisition of land? Ilang beses nyo na
Hindi
po
ko po
sila
ma-recall,
nakita?
Your Honor.
Would it be more than 10 times?
Hindi ko na po kayang mag-elaborate po ng mga question niyo. Your Honor, masama na po yung pakiramdam ko.
Mr. Chair, the resource person is manifesting that he's not feeling well.
Okay, may we ask the House Doctor to please check on 1-minute suspension. Pakibigyan nyo nga ng tubig muna si Mayor. Do we have a nurse? Andito yung nurse kanina eh. Andyan na, no? Nakakain na po ba kayo, Mayor? Hearing is resumed. So in the meantime, habang nagpapahinga si former Mayor Tumang, we can proceed with the other resource persons.